Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The video title is How to Deposit Money into Trust Wallet 2025, and I'm excited to walk you through the latest steps. Trust Wallet has evolved a lot by 2025, with even more secure features and seamless integrations, making it easier than ever to manage your digital assets. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. Head to your App Store, search for Trust Wallet, and download the latest version. It's free and user-friendly. Once it's downloaded, open the app and either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember, always keep your phrase safe, it's your key to your funds. Now, let's get to depositing money. In your wallet dashboard, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Tap on the Receive button to generate a unique wallet address. This address is like your digital bank account number, so copy it carefully. Next, if you're transferring from an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, log into your account there. Go to the Withdrawal section, paste the Trust Wallet address you just copied, select the right network, like ERC20 for Ethereum, and enter the amount you want to send. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you've confirmed the transaction, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to appear in your Trust Wallet, depending on the network congestion. By 2025, Trust Wallet's enhanced speed features might make this even faster. Head back to your app, refresh your balance, and voila, you should see your funds. A quick tip: always use the correct network for your crypto to prevent losses. And if you're new to this, start small to get comfortable. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.